The National Civil Society Council of Nigeria has called on its members across the country to refrain from participating in the planned hunger protest slated to start from August the 1st. The executive director of the council, Comrade Blessing Akinlosotu, made this known while addressing newsmen in Abuja. Akinlosotu, who acknowledged the hardship and suffering Nigerians are facing, one of the dangers of the protest turning violent, appealed to citizens to exercise patience and support the reform initiatives of the government.
Unprecedented action facing average Nigerian as a result of the policies of subsidy removal and floating of the naira. It is unarguably the responsibility of government to provide for the welfare and security of the people, and no excuse for failure is acceptable. The removal of subsidy on petroleum products, particularly petrol, was aimed at eradicating corruption and inefficiency, reducing our country's growing debt profile, conserving resources for capital projects, encourage local refinery of crude oil to attract investment and create more jobs for our people. Today, we are particularly concerned about the dangerous trend of ethnic narratives and the politicization of impact of government policy. These narratives can inflame tension and deepen divisions within our diverse society. Our plural nation is both a strength and a challenge that requires careful navigation. The high poverty rate and level of illiteracy are issues that readily generate tensions and can lead to violent protest. We urge all those planning to protest to consider the broader implication and potential dangers and losses of their action on our collective peace, stability, and development. To this end, we call on all Nigerians to exercise patience and give the government the needed time and support to implement necessary reforms, policies, and initiatives. We believe that through constructive dialogue and collaboration, we can achieve lasting change in no distant time.
The intention it is to improve on the existing status quo. Therefore, when you sense danger that your protest will likely go otherwise and destroy the existing status quo, then it means your protest is against the norm. We have this feeling, the palpable tension, that there is possibility of these bad losers from election locking around to hijack the genuine intention of the protesters and make it destructive against the government. Therefore, to the protesters, it is no more productive to embark on it and achieve the original aim. The essence of the protest is for the betterment of our nation. Now we are sensing that people are locking around to hijack that. Therefore, we are advising our colleagues, our comrades to back down and let us make use of another formula, which is dialogue.
Nigerians are angry. Nigerians are hungry. There is hardship everywhere. And you see, anybody that knows Mr. President, that is Bola Tinubu, they know that he is somebody that loves this country. But the problem around Mr. President is the people around him. I will not stand to see that there is a protest, because no matter how palatable you put these strategies together, there are people that will counter you. And that is what we don't want it to happen. Me as a woman and as a mother, I will not want our young people to go out on protest, but I want a situation whereby we will dialogue with Mr. President, with the National Assembly. That is another problem, because they are not representing the people well and they are not telling Mr. President the truth.